Good afternoon, guys. It's your guy, the Ottoman. I'm back again with another video of a 2AZ engine timing. So let's go with the timing with this. Whoa. This is the oil pump. You can see the oil pump under here. This is your crankshaft here. How's the timing of the oil pump? When you send the timing with the balancer under there, you send the timing with it. So your piston number 1 and number 4 piston are fully up. When the piston are fully up, so you get this point here before you put your cylinder. When your piston is fully up, you will see it there. When you see it there, this is the point there. So the point there, the pump, this here, and you go with this point at this side here. That is in there. That is the point here. You can see here for the point timing. That is it. So let's go to the main timing, the engine complete timing. So I've set my camshaft here. You can see the mark here. See the mark here at the camshaft at the top. See a point there. There are 2 points. There's another point here. But we are going with the one with the big mark at the VVTI. At the VVTI here, you can see variable valve timing intelligent. This is VVTI. So we are going with this mark. The mark go with this point, and there will be another point at the back here. When you check it, that's here. There will be a point here. So those point and arrow are going with the arrow on this cap. This is the intake. The VVTI side is going with the arrow here. The exhaust also are going with this arrow here. See the arrow at the cap with this mark here. With this mark here, you see the mark there. When you get the 2 marks, so you can see the camshaft facing there. You can see this one facing. They are facing both sides. The exhaust is facing the exhaust side. The intake side is facing intake side. You can see the both two facing each other. So let me put the chain and the adjuster. So where is the sprocket? So let me put the sprocket there. There is the sprocket. Let me put it. Yes, that is the sprocket inside. Let me put my chain. You see the color chain and see the yellow mark here. So it's going with that point. It's going straight with that point. You can see it there. So before that, I'll need to put my chain guide. Let me put my chain guide.